Mario's Lessons from Cough Cough. Part 6. Let's go. Lesson number 1 is jump off seats and watch Meet the Boss Baby.
I'm fine. Okay. I'll go to Baby Corp and get the
I actually watched this. It's a very educational show. Lesson number 2 is this. Yeet yourself. I'm just kidding. Lesson number 2 is actually, lesson number 2 is spend time with your families. You know, just sit and watch The Boss Baby, like watch TV. Okay. Okay. Lesson number 3 is, of course, wash your hands when you're done using the bathroom. It's very important. Number 4. Well, Celtic shots. Yeah, you should do that. Yeah, you should definitely do that. Cross the crab pizza is the Lesson number 5. Eat yourself some more. Or lesson number 4, eat yourself some more. Lesson 5, eat yourself. And most importantly, always subscribe to the Stupid Dummy Adventures of the Super Mario Bros. No, watch that and just subscribe to my channel. So, goodbye. It was really short. I'm gonna cry.